introducing the new Level 3 Kray Color line, which provides us with 16 different options of color, from primary all the way to our tertiary colors, as well as a clear, which gives us infinity options and possibilities of creating any hair color type. Our Level 3 Kray Colors are infused with aloe vera, sunflower seed oil, organic argan oil, BondFusion Technology. And as you guys know, Level 3 is made by the barbers for the barbers, just as this color line is made for you. Let me show you some of these colors and how vibrant and amazing they look when you want to get creative on hair. Now you guys can see how amazing and vibrant that flame design looks after using our Level 3 Kray color. It's your boy Papiblendzz. Catch you guys on the next one. Let's go.